One of the biggest things that is happening in the e-commerce space right now is automations. Hey everyone, my name is Aanarav Sareen and I'm one of the founders of P3 Media. One of the tools that has been the most underutilized and is included for free in Shopify is a tool called Shopify Flow. Now, if you've built any flowchart in your life before, what this allows you to do is just mimic that functionality of a flowchart and have actions automatically happen within Shopify. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a customer that is extremely loyal and you want to tag your customer service folks if they make a purchase after the third order or after the fourth order, whatever that might be. So what you can do is you can have Flow automatically think about that and execute that on your behalf. So you start off on the left, which is order created, then you look for the customer and you do a total order count. Let's say it's above 3, and then you can automatically send an email. That's how easy it is. So not only can you use Shopify Flow to build customer loyalty, you could also use it for inventory tracking. Let's say you've got a very hot item that is bound to sell out during a busy Black Friday weekend. What you can do is you can have inventory alerts. So you can say, anytime an order is created or an inventory is updated and the variant inventory falls below, let's say 5, send me an email. You can do that. And what this allows you to do is make other changes down your ecosystem. So you can edit your email campaigns, you can edit your ads, you can edit a whole bunch of different parameters that allow you to be very, very effective in delivering the right product to the right people at the right time. To learn more as to how Shopify Flow can work for you, reach out at p3media.com.